Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment. So the first update is of RIMT University. It is on NH1 Delhi Ludhiana Highway, Mandi Govindgarh. They have requirement for professor, associate professor, assistant professor in computer science department, mechanical, electrical, ECE, civil, law, architecture, animation and multimedia, hotel and hospitality management, pharmacy, design, journalism, maths, physics, chemistry, forensic science, agriculture, education, nursing, paramedical and paraveterinary, MD in radio diagnosis, and also have vacancies for HR manager, coordinator, marketing executive, TPO, IT professional, accounts clerk, data entry operator. So qualification and experience is as per AICT and UGC or RIMT University norms. If anyone retired person want to apply, then you can also apply here. So you have to send your detailed resume on hr@rimt.ac.in before 30 September 2021. Next update is of Siddhartha Institute of Technology and Science. This is in Medachal. So Medachal Malkagiri, it is in Hyderabad. They have walk-in interview for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for the department of PCE, CSE. In CSE they have vacancies for computer science engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, internet of things, data science, cyber security and AC, electrical and electronics, mechanical, civil, humanity and sciences. For that physics, maths, chemistry and English they have vacancies, MBA, lab programmer and lab assistant. So who have completed his PhD and PG in the relevant discipline, they can apply. You must have good experience and knowledge regarding subject knowledge, commitment towards work. For humanity and sciences, PhD or net set qualified only can apply there. Certificate course candidates are preferable. So eligible candidates have to mail their resume to siddhartha.sits@gmail.com. They have not given the dates, and they will inform you via email or phone number. Next is MATS University. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in management, commerce, law, fashion designing, interior designing, library and information science, psychology, English, Hindi, social work, mass communication. In engineering they have vacancies for civil, aeronautical and mining. Then education, physical education, IT and computer science, animation and graphic designing, biotechnology, microbiology and economics. So interested people can send their application to hr@matsuniversity.ac.in within 7 days in prescribed format. The format will be downloaded from university website. So it is Mats University in Raipur. So you visit www.matsuniversity.ac.in and you download the form and fill and send to this email ID. Next is KNS Institute of Technology. This is in Bangalore. They have invited application for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in ECE department, computer science, information science and engineering, civil engineering, mathematics, mechanical. Qualification required is as per AICT UGC norms. Technical and administrative staff also have requirement for different like assistant administrative officer, placement officer, librarian, hostel warden. Good experience in engineering college, programmer and instructor in the above department. So you have to send your CV within 7 days to knsit.hr@gmail.com or career@knsit.com. Next vacancy is in Sri Ville Parle, Kelwani Mandals, Dwarkadish J. Sangvi College of Engineering. They have vacancies for undergraduate courses for different assistant professor and associate professor. Like for IT, they have vacancies for 1 for associate professor and 5 for assistant professor. Computer engineering, 2 associate and 2 assistant professor. Computer Science Engineering Data Science, no vacancy for Associate Professor and 3 vacancy for Assistant Professor. Applied Physics 1 and Communication Skill 1, each for Assistant Professor. The above posts are open to all, however candidate from any category can apply for the post. So educational qualification, experience and pay scale is as per AICTE UGC norms, and applicant who are already employed must send their application through proper channel. Applicants are required to account for break if any academic career. So application with full details should reach on this address within 15 days from date of application of this advertisement. Reservation for women will be as per University Circular number this dated 10th March 1998. 4% reservation for PWD will be followed here. Some time assigned advertisement you can see here. The Q1 Skill Empowerment Private Limited have requirement for this contractual position like plumber. Total 12 vacancies. The vacancy will be in location Raigada. So if qualification required for that, BTech in Civil Mechanical from recognized institute or university with at least 1 year work or teaching experience, or diploma in civil mechanical engineering with 2 year work or teaching experience can apply here. They have given trade plumber generals. So age required for that 18 to 37. Last date of application 25th September 2021. You have to send your resume to this q1.hr@gmail.com. Again you can see BT Prosecution Private Limited. They have partners invite application for contractual position or vocational trainer to be engaged in Government School of Odisha under OSEPA. The candidate should be permanent resident of Odisha state. Location Balgad, Bolangir, Gajpati, Kencher, Noapada. Age requirement 18 to 37. Last date of application 25th September 2021. Qualification required degree in engineering from recognized institute or university with at least 1 year working or teaching experience, or diploma in engineering or from recognized institute or university with at least 2 year working or teaching experience, or any graduate having a working or a teaching experience of 2 years in construction painting. They can apply. Desirables should have a valid certificate of trainer in the domain of construction painter and decorator. Means they have vacancies for this construction painter and decorator, like vacancies in these locations. So you have to send your resume on training@prosecution.com. Next vacancy you can see in this Biju Patnaik Institute of IT and Management Studies. They have invited application for marketing, HR, accounting, finance, QT and OM, communicative English and IT economics. Admission officer, any graduate with 5 year experience can apply. Assistant librarian, B librarian, graduate with 5 year experience can apply here. So you have to send your CV within 15 days to career@biim.ac.in. This is Biju Patnaik Institute of IT and Management Studies. This is affiliated to BPUT Odisha. Not above 64 following faculty position. They have requirement for faculty position in all these specializations. So you have to apply here. So next vacancy is in Helene Coaching Institute, where they are given coachings for medicals and JEE. So you can apply there for faculty for preparation of JEE main and advanced, pre-medical, NEET, UG, pre-nurture and career foundation class 6 to 10. Trainee faculty, 1000 opening. Experience required 0 to 2 year. UG, PG, passing year must be 2018 or later. Subject required for that botany, chemistry, math, physics and geology. Qualification, if you have BTech, MTech, MSc, MBBS, BHMS, BAMS, BDS in Pharma, BBSc or PhD or relevant, then you can apply. For JEE Main Advanced, they have requirement for chemistry, math and physics. Qualification required BTech, MTech, MSc or PhD or equivalent. For NEET UG, they have requirement for subject botany, chemistry, physics and geology. Same qualification BTech, MTech, MSc, MBBS, BHMS, BAMS, BDS, M Pharma, BBSc or PhD or equivalent can apply here. Some humanities humanities vacancy are also here, like child development and pedagogy, current affairs, ecology, economics, English, geography, Hindi, history, polity, public ad, reasoning, Sanskrit, science and technology, social management. So for all this specialization faculty required, so you can apply here. Commerce vacancy also there, CLAT also for legal reasoning, logical reasoning and quantitative technique. So if you have graduate, postgraduate or PhD, you can apply. Last date is 3 October 2021. You have to register online on lin.ac.in/career. Next is IMS Ghaziabad. They have requirement for professor, associate professor, assistant professor in computer science and engineering, CSD, IT, mechanical, BC or BT. They also have requirement for MBA for marketing, HR, finance, IB, IT, OM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, professional communication, PDP, technical communication, quantitative aptitude, Constitution of India, Indian traditional culture. Also non-teaching vacancy also there, librarian, assistant manager, administration assistant, resident warden for boys hostel. Qualification is as per AICTE norms. For assistant professor, GATE percentage more than 65% and BTech, MTech from IIT, NIT, and NIRF ranked institution will be preferred and higher salary will be admissible. PhD from IIT, NIT, IIIT, BITS and NIRF ranked government institution need only apply for higher positions. So you have to visit http://digital.ac.in/career/imsec.html to upload your resume. Provision of PF, gratuity and medical lectures. Campus residence for single candidate may be considered. So next vacancy is in IIIT Kalyani. They have vacancies for associate professor in CSE and EC. For that 2 posts we have. And next vacancy is for assistant professor in CSE, EC, physics, mathematics. Total 8 posts are there vacant. Next is in vacancy is in Quantum University. They have requirement for assistant professor for various various departments like computer science, cyber security, cloud computing, Internet of Things, ME, mechatronics, petroleum, civil management. Also having vacancy for finance, marketing, international business, HRM, supply chain and operation management, e-commerce, retail, tourism, hospital management, family business. And some vacancies is in agricultural studies, media studies and design, health science, hospitality and tourism, law, graduate studies. Next is in that's all about today's update. So you must share it with your friends and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Like, comment also. Thank you. Have a nice day.